Hi, this is Tabitha once again with my third and final app or program. One of the things that I use throughout my day is Google. Um, you can go here in my Google apps, and one of my favorite apps teaching right now is, if I can find it, is my More. And I have created a classroom that I have my kids going to. Um, First, let me sign into my account. Sorry. And this is Miss Smith Classroom. As you can see, I actually have 102 students since I teach middle school, social studies, and now science. Um, so you can click on my classroom, and what I do is I have all of my scholars connect to my classroom using my code, as you can see it here. You could display it and have all my scholars use that code to sign in. Once they've signed in, they actually can communicate here on the front with each other. And then what I do is I create assignments that they I create uh, a test, a quiz, anything of that nature. And if you see all of these children right here, it says missing. They're no longer there. Um, but here I've graded. If you can look, it was worth 110 points. I've graded all of the scholars' homework. Uh, and I've returned them all to them. You can return it. There's instructions. When you create an assignment, there's instructions. It says, please answer all questions and complete sentences. You may use the one sheet of notes from the review session. And then once they go in, there's the actual assignment. They can actually open it in a new window. Then they can open it with Google Docs. And Google Docs will open it. And whenever it opens, it will allow them to actually type. And what was the colony to be? What was the first colony to be formed? It was Jamestown. And who founded it and in what year? John Smith. And I forgot the year, but I think it was 1692. Might not be. How many colonies were created? Then they could just circle it or highlight. Bam. And when they're done, they can go down, share it with me. They can share it with Smith at ourschools.org. Send it. Oh, that's because that's not my email address. Oh, Smith.rlschools at nope, .org. No, that doesn't even right. Lord mercy. RLS. Alright, there we go. Then you can send it to me, and then I will get it, grade it, and then return it back to them. And anytime that we have classrooms, there we go.